In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use and add funds in Steam. If you've ever wanted a quick, reliable way to pay for games, DLC, or in-game items without entering your card every time, the Steam Wallet is the way to go. I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what to expect, along with a few helpful tips so your checkout goes smoothly. Start by opening Steam on your computer or in your web browser and make sure you're signed in. Look to the top right and click your profile. This opens a small menu connected to your account settings. From there, choose Account Details. This takes you to your main account overview, where you can see your purchase history, licenses, and your current Steam Wallet balance if you've added funds before. On this page, find and click Add Funds to your Steam Wallet. You'll land on a screen that shows preset amounts you can add. The currency shown is based on your region, and available amounts may vary. Keep in mind that wallet funds are generally not transferable to other accounts and can't usually be withdrawn as cash. They're meant for purchases on Steam, so choose an amount you plan to use. After selecting the amount that fits your needs, click Add Funds. This moves you into checkout. You might be asked to confirm your country or billing information if it hasn't been set up before. Don't worry, this is normal and helps ensure you see the correct regional pricing and payment options. Next, select the payment method you want to use. Depending on where you live, you'll typically see choices like credit or debit cards, online payment services, or local methods supported in your region. Pick the option you trust and enter the required details carefully. If your bank uses additional verification, such as a one-time code, complete that step to authorize the payment. Be aware that currency conversion or bank fees can apply if your card isn't in the same currency as your Steam store. Once you confirm payment, Steam processes the transaction and updates your wallet balance, usually within moments. You can see the new balance on your account details page or at the top of the store. When you buy a game or add-on later, Steam will automatically use your wallet balance first, making checkout faster and often more secure. If something doesn't go through, double-check your billing address, card details, and any bank alerts. You can also try a different method supported in your region. For extra security, enable Steam Guard in your account settings to protect your purchases, and that's it. Your funds are ready to use. Happy gaming!